Welcome to Technology for Seniors. Discover how new tech can brighten your day, connecting with ease in a brand new way.
Okay, we're in my Chrome browser. We want to find out how to get the 11 Labs reader. So I've just typed 11 Labs reader in Google search and you'll come up. Be careful, there's a lot of spammy stuff out there, but this is 11 Labs reader. You'll come up here and we're just going to click the sign in button here. So we're going to click this, and now we're going to get the option to sign in with your Google account. Now, the first thing you have to do is put your birthday in. We're going to continue on, and we're going to continue on. Now, the fun part about this is you get to choose a whole bunch of different voices. So let's have a look. Let's see. I like Sir Laurence Olivier. Let's see, what's his voice like?
But what am I? To be or not to be? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to...
You know, I could listen to that all day long. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to continue on with that. And let's come down here and we're just going to continue. What would you like to mainly listen to on 11 Reader? You could do books, news stories, study materials, blogs, newsletters, journals, research, or my own imported content. This is probably setting up the default for you. I like news stories. I'm going to choose news stories. Let's continue on. What are your main interests here? And you can choose a whole bunch of different ones here. I'm going to choose technology. Surprise, eh? All right, let's choose technology. You can choose multiple ones if you want. Travel. And let's see, history and fiction. And let's continue on. And how did you learn about 11 Reader? I learned on that from a YouTube video. Indeed, I did. And let's continue on. And this should take us right into the program. But I would encourage you to use the free. But if you wanted to pay for the Ultra, it is $8.25 a month. But the free will do everything you want. And I would not recommend purchasing it to start that now. So we're going to skip that. And the best way to listen is the 11 Reader app. And you can just scan this QR code and you can get the app on your phone. So you can use it on your phone or your PC. Today I'm demonstrating this on a PC. And here we are. We're now into 11 Labs Reader. Well, good day and welcome to Tech for Senior. I'm Ron Brown. Tech for Senior is where we help seniors understand technology and make it simple. Today I want to discuss text-to-speech generation. Now we're going to be discussing 11 Reader by 11 Labs. Now, if you are not aware, 11 Labs is the giant granddaddy of text-to-speech generation. It's used by most people who are doing any sort of video production work. I think all of our team has an 11 Labs account and use it for a variety of different things. 11 Labs is the biggie that does some pretty incredible stuff. That's not what we're going to be talking about today. We're talking about a tiny little part of the of 11 Labs called 11 Reader that helps you with listening to your text. Now, you're probably all wondering and going to say, well, just a minute. My phone does that anyway. Microsoft does that. Google does that. Why would I want to go and have 11 Reader do this for me? And that's a very good question and one which we're going to discuss today. But in a nutshell, it is just so good. Have you ever got tired of that monotonous old AI-generated text that's reading to you? Well, this isn't going to happen with 11 Reader. And 11 Reader is brought to you by 11 Labs, and it is a free program for you. Now, the free, I'm going to say, is you should be perfectly happy with that. But if you want some of the more advanced voices, some of the real famous voices, then of course there is a fee for that. But let me just show you the software, show you how it works. It's really impressive, and I think you'll want to use it. Do your eyes get tired reading long articles? Wish you could listen to emails, PDFs, or blog posts instead? Well, I think you'll find help with 11 Reader. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it and whether it's right for you. So what exactly is 11 Reader? Well, it's a powerful AI-generated text-to-speech product. It reads web articles, PDFs, documents, and pasted text. This is extremely natural voices, less than the old robotic systems, and it works on mobile, and it's great for seniors. It's not just a robotic accessibility voice, but it sounds like a real narrator. Now, why seniors might love this is if you have eye strain, it's going to give you some relief. Multitask while you're listening, helps with vision changes, dyslexia, fatigue, or long newsletters you just have a hard time getting through. It's great for genealogy articles, tech blogs, church bulletins, and community newsletters. Now, I just renewed my home insurance, and I had to read through my home insurance policy. That was a 10-page marathon, but you know, it just breezed through as I sat back, sipped a cup of coffee, and had 11 Reader just read it to me. Okay, this is where you'll go when you open your account. This is a brand new account, as you'll see. And let's just get a bit of the lay of the land. So if you look over here on the right, you'll see my picture here. This is your account. And I'm not going to go through all the settings, but I would point one thing out to you. You can apply for the Impact program where you will be able to get this for free. And so if you have site problems and you're registered with the CNIBC, then you can certainly apply for that through this link here. And I would encourage you to do that. Okay, let's come over here. First of all, this is a very simple menu. On the left-hand side, you're going to see upload your content. Over here, you can see it is the same. You have saved collections and archived. I don't have anything in there right now. I'm going to show you how to do that. But we have collections that will sort of put them in these folders for you, and any that you archived here. So let's just go and let's play my insurance document. Okay, let's upload your video. So we're going to click here, and you have your choice to import content in one click. We're going to upload a file. So we're going to pick this. If you were doing it on a website, you just put the URL here, but we're going to upload an actual file. Okay, so here is easy to go. Let's go find my file. And the one I'm going to pick here this is a PDF file. This is my home insurance review. So we're going to click this, double click, and it's going to upload and come into your file. Now, notice that it is pending here, so it's taking a little while to do this. Don't hit the play. If you can't hit the play button right now, it's just going to take a little while, and it tells me right here that now it's ready. Let's visit the site here. Okay, let's have a look now, and let's play this and see what it sounds like.
2-minute home insurance decision tree. Step 1, water protection. Most important. Ask, does this policy include both sewer backup and overland flood coverage? If no, FI, eliminate the policy. Too risky near water. If yes, FI, continue. Step 2, replacement coverage. Ask, is this guaranteed replacement cost?
Okay, so you get the idea. The only thing is I didn't have my coffee. Remember, I did this originally with my coffee sitting in my lazy boy chair, just sitting back, listening as 11 Reader just read it to me. Simple. All right, let's take a news source. So we're going to come up and we're going to upload our content again, but this time we're going to click here and I'm going to put in a news source. This is an article about the new Samsung S26 phone. I'm going to get it to read me the article. So I'm just going to, there's the URL. I would put it in there, and let's just import this. And let's play it and see what happens.
Free Samsung Galaxy Search 26. Ultra, sign up for any T-Mobile Experience Beyond plan for 24 months and get a free Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, 256 gigabytes, usually selling for $1,299.99. We waited extra long this year for the annual Samsung Unpacked event. Like always, we have fresh new Samsung Galaxy phones to drool over, or simply consider if your current Android phone is in need of an upgrade.
Now, you know what was so great about that? If you looked over and looked at the article, I was taking this off the web, it's full of advertisements. It's full of all sorts of stuff. And this clearly just took the text, brought it over, and gives a concise text and just reads it. This is great. Get rid of all the ads. All right, and you know how to continue on with the document and uploading a document and importing it in, so that I'm not going to explain that. But for the third thing I want to show you, this is a bonus tip. I'm going to give you a cool thing that you can do. And I wanted to do this as a special thing for all you people that have stuck around to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and we'd sure appreciate that like and subscribe. So let me give you the tip, and I think you'll be amused. All right, so how many of you are into cooking? Well, I certainly am. And how many of you get recipes on YouTube? I have hard drives full of recipes that I use. Now, usually I'm in the kitchen, I'm working, I've got my Chromebook beside me, my hands are all mucky. And in this case, you can see the cooking show is going on. And it's telling you what the proportions are and how to make the recipe. The problem is, of course, I've got my hands are dirty. I've got my finger on the keyboard trying to go back. It's got flour on my hands. You know the feeling. And so how can you solve this problem? And let me tell you how 11 Reader can help solve this issue. Okay. Now the other problem is a lot of these recipes online, like the one we're watching now, don't have printable recipes. You can't print the recipe out. It's or if you go to the site and you want to, they give you a link and you go to the site, it's a paywall and you have to buy the recipe. So how can we solve this problem? It's real simple. Let me show you. We're watching the video, right? We're watching our video on how to cook this dish. What we're going to do is we're going to come down and you see this little button here and it says share. We're going to click the share button and it's going to bring up, this is the identification for this video. I'm going to copy this, just hit the copy button. That's all you need to do. Now we're going to bring up ChatGPT. I'm sure this probably works for all AI, but I've only really tested this with ChatGPT. And what we're going to do is we're going to paste that right into ChatGPT. So I'm going to add at the end, create a printable recipe. So I've asked it to create a printable recipe in PDF format. So let's see what happens. Remember, this is the link to the video, right? We haven't put anything about making a recipe or anything. And we've just said create it as a printable PDF. So it's found it. It's created the recipe for me. And if we come down now, and if you come down, it says I can generate a downloadable PDF version of the printable recipe. Not sure why. Sometimes it does it automatically. I'll just say yes. Okay, so now if we click this, we simply say download PDF. And we're going to download it into my downloads directory here. And it's in a PDF format. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, so we're back in 11 Labs, remember? And we're going to come back and we're going to upload that PDF file that we just did. And we're going to come down as remember, we're going to find that PDF file. And here's my chicken and bok choy recipe. We're going to click OK. It's doing its thing. And we should be ready to go now. So you can imagine me sitting in the kitchen or working in the kitchen. My hands are a mess. Everything is a little gucky. And now I can just have this play for me, right? Watch this.
Easy chicken and bok choy stir fry. Ready in about 15 minutes. Serves 4. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, boneless, skinless chicken.
All right, wasn't that great? So now what we've done is we took that YouTube video, which had no printed recipe. I was able to put it into ChatGPT, created a printable PDF. I then uploaded it into 11 Reader, and now I don't have to have my sticky hands over the keyboard because it's just going to read me the recipe. Pretty interesting, eh? Okay, well, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Enjoy 11 Labs. It's free. You should try it. A lot of fun. Until we see you again, have a great day.